Up first this evening, another high-profile gang is to go before the courts on Thursday. Now, this matter involves more than 30 gangsters who were arrested by the police. The Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch held a press conference today where it was revealed that the suspects are a breakaway from members of the notorious Clansman gang, which has its roots in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson reports.
The nation's anti-gang chiefs faced the press on Wednesday morning to declare that after more than a year of intense investigations, they have made a breakthrough into gang activities in Spanish Town and the wider St. Catherine North Police Division.
62 members of a gang, which is located in St. Catherine, have been identified. The gang is led by Andre Bryan, O.C., black man. Of the 62 members identified, 33 members have been arrested and are to face court, that's the Supreme Court, tomorrow.
The police say they remain on the hunt for another 30 gangsters. The gang has been linked with more than 30 murders, as well as shootings, robberies and extortion. The latter of those crime categories is said to rake in over $57 million each year for the gang.
It's a part of the breakaway clans gang. They call, the One Don. I think that's a new name, that the Bryan faction is called the One Don.
Residents are being urged to continue assisting the police with information, while business people are being asked to back the counter-offensive with more resources. But for the police, it is the parliamentarians who can give the greatest help.
The security forces have been asking that the anti-gang legislation be amended to give the police a greater opportunity to prepare their cases for court and to prevent the constant appearance before the court to answer to writ filed by defense lawyers. In this case, there are 60-odd persons that will be ultimately arrested. They have to appear before ID parade. It is almost impossible for us to do ID parade within the prescribed 48 hours or 7 days, and you have to appear before the court constantly. And we are saying, give us the opportunity that once we take in excess of 5 persons under the anti-gang law, to release the police of the burden.
The investigators believe the evidence they have against the One Don gang is overwhelming, and they are confident of securing convictions. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.